What's good, all my flavor hunt people? Your boy Jeremy is back with a brand new episode. Let me kick my shoes off, because this one's gonna be a good one. We got my favorite meal in front of me today. Today I will be eating good old Subway. My diet Doritos. I always get a meatball Marinara sub. It's one of my favorites. Can't help but look at this beautiful monsters. Now we'll do some, oh god. We'll do some comparison videos soon where I, do more Subways and compare it to Jimmy John's and some local sub restaurants to see exactly who's got the better sub. But until then, for now, y'all enjoy me eating some Subway. It's gonna be a very good and exciting video. I look forward to meeting and chatting with y'all. And first bite, here we go. Going in. Every single time I take a bite of this Subway sandwich, I'm transported into heaven. It's like an Italian dinner all over again. Their meatballs are actually really good quality. I'm not gonna lie. I love Subway's meatballs. They have quality meatballs. And in other words, I'll be uploading more. I'm gonna try to upload once a day. Because I know I've been all over the place with the schedule. But I'm gonna try to get a video on once a day. Try to pick a place for y'all once a day. Give y'all a different environment. You can't forget about the bad. Never, never, never. We got Starry. Never, never, never. Let's keep going. I do want to say one thing, y'all. Y'all ever got that one friend who cut you off over something petty and he still didn't take accountability for his own life? Yeah, I'm dealing with that pickle right now. And his ego's got him so blinded, he don't even know that he's the problem to his own issues. And 99% of the time, we don't realize half of the problems we're in is because of ourselves. I mean, yeah, there's situations that are out of our control as well, but most things in life, we're able to change the dynamic of the situation for better if we want better. I believe everybody should want better for themselves, man. No matter what. I'm excited for the many years I get to do these videos with y'all. I'm excited for so much. Oh my gosh. Subway is so fire. One video I definitely gotta do for sure, the Jersey Mike's. Jersey Mike's has some crazy subs. They're a little on the pricey side compared to Subway, but I don't know. Everybody would say them things be hitting different. I agree. I've had a Jersey Mike's shorthead. Sub sandwiches hit different, but we'll say that for another video. I want everybody in the comments, tell me how's your day going. I also want you to answer a question of the day. If you could do one thing on YouTube, and that's for people who who don't even have a channel or want to start one. Excuse me. If you could do anything on YouTube to change someone's life, what would you do? Comment down below. I want to know exactly your answers, because I love doing this with you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you, whether it's 3 viewers, 4 viewers, 60 viewers, 70 viewers, who come and just watch me eat food every day, or every day of the week, or every other week, or every couple days. Which, like I said, I'm trying to get to that schedule, y'all. But I'm getting a grip of it now. I'm giving y'all a Subway video. I'm glad I can do that. So it's been a good chat. I'm glad I can update y'all on what's going on. I was kind of sick, those times, like a week and a half ago. So it's kind of hard maintaining a schedule, because of my sickness. But I'm back. And I'm better than ever. So with that being said, ladies and gents, I'm gonna dip out of here because I got another food guy I need to go watch. We dropped another video because this is where I get my inspiration from. Shouts out to Bendine. And I will catch you guys in another one. And by the way, Subway, y'all scale rating for this, because this sub sandwich was good. Everything 7.8 out of 10. 7.8 out of 10. Solid score. Great food. I like it a lot. Can't wait to see y'all in the next one. Peace out.